Good morning students, God bless you. Welcome to 12th standard business maths class. The last class we have discussed discrete random variable and continuous random variable. The discrete random variable probability mass function is summation I is equal to 1 to infinity p of xi equal to 1. The continuous random variable probability density function is integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. Okay. In this class, we are going to see about the applications of discrete and continuous random variable. Okay. Exercise 6.1, 8th question. A continuous random variable x has the following distribution function. Okay. The capital F of x equal to, set of all, 0 if x less than or equal to 1. K into x minus 1 power 4 if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. The limit value 1 to 3, the capital F of x is k into x minus 1 power 4. Otherwise 1 if x greater than 3. Okay. The question is find k and the probability density function. Okay. This is your given question. First find the value of k, then probability density function. The probability density function is small f of x. But here given capital F of x. Okay. Already known the result, the small f of x equal to the first derivative of capital F of x. Okay, the solution. Okay, solution, we know that small f of x equal to capital F dash of x. This is your condition, okay, from the continuous random variable. Okay, so the small f of x equal to f dash of x, that means d by dx of, differentiate with respect to x, d by dx of the capital F of x. The capital F of x is k into x power minus 1 power 4. Okay. Since d by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is a differentiation formula. Okay. So x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. Okay. So small f of x equal to, so k is the constant, d by dx of x power, d by dx of x minus 1 power 4 means 4 into x minus 1 power n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. Then differentiate with x 1. So d by dx of x is 1. That's all the differentiation. So f of x equal to k into 4, 4k and x minus 1 power 3. Have understood? This is your f of x. Okay. The first question is find the value of k. Okay. The function, probability density function is integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. Integral. The f of x limit value is 1 to 3. This is given. Okay, taken from the given question. The f of x, small f of x, now we get that small f of x equal to 4k into x minus 1 power 3 into dx equal to 1. 4 and k are constant. So, integral 1 to 3 x minus 1 power 3 into dx equal to 1. Okay. Integral, since x power n equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is integration formula. Okay, x power n means x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 4k into, this is fully x. So x minus 1 power plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by n plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, the limit value is 1 to 3 which is equal to 1. Okay, then 4k into, substitute the upper limit. Okay, 3 is the upper limit, so 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 power 4. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 power 4 is 0. Whole divided by 4, which is equal to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. 4k into 2 power 4 means 16. 2 multiplying In 4 times we get 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, 16 divided by 4 equal to 1. So making the cancellation, 4 4 are cancelled, remaining k into 16 equal to 1. Okay, the remaining terms are k into 16 equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 divided by 16. Okay, now we get the value of k. Okay, then the second one is probability density function. What is the probability density function? The probability density function is small f of x. Okay, the small f of x equal to, this is already known, the small f of x equal to 4k into x minus 1 power 3. Okay, so therefore f of x equal to 4 into the k value is 1 by 16. Now we get, replace the k value, x minus 1 power 3. Okay, which is equal to 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Therefore 1 by 4. So x minus 1 whole power 3 divided by 4. This is a f of x probability density function. Okay, and also 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. This is your condition. Have you understood? Okay, next, ninth question. The length of time in minutes, the given time in minutes that a certain person speak on the telephone is found to be random phenomenon with a probability function specified by the probability density function f of x as the probability density function small f of x is given. That is, set of all, a into e power minus x by 5 for x greater than or equal to 0. That means x is more than 0. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is not be defined. That means x greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise, the function is 0. Okay, this is your question. The first question, A, find the value of A. Find the value of A that make f of x a probability density function. The f of x is a probability density function. This is a given hints. Use the hints, find the value of A. Then the second question, what is the probability that the number of minutes that person will talk over the phone is more than 10 minutes. Probability of the more than 10 minutes values, first subdivision. Then second one, less than 5 minutes. Probability of less than 5 minutes. And the third one, probability of between 5 and 10 minutes. Okay, this is your third subdivision from the B. Okay, have you understood the question? First solve the A. Find the value of A. The given f of x is a probability density function. Okay. Okay, solution. Given f of x is probability density function. The probability density function is integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. Okay, this is the probability density function. Okay, so integral, rewrite the limit value. X is greater than or equal to 0. That means lower limit is 0, upper limit is not defined. The lower limit is 0, the upper limit is infinity. Then the f of x is a into e power minus x by 5. Then dx equal to 1. Okay, so a is the constant taken outside, remaining 0 to infinity, e power minus x by 5 into dx equal to 1. Since integral e power ax into dx equal to e power ax divided by a. This is your formula. E power ax into dx equal to e power ax divided by a. Okay, so a into, integrate the value, e power ax format. A is 1 by 5 and x. Okay, e power ax is e power ax divided by a. A is minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. The limit value is 0 to infinity, which is equal to 1. I understood. Okay. Then a into, this can be right, 5 by minus 1. Okay. Into upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is minus infinity. E power minus x replacing infinity. Infinity by 5 is infinity. Okay, upper limit is over. Minus lower limit e power minus 0. 0 by number is 0. So e power 0, which is equal to 1. Okay, a into 5, 5a, and also minus. Okay, e power minus infinity value is 0. Okay, and also e power 0 is 1. Okay, this is a note. So e power minus infinity is 0 minus e power 0 is 1, which is equal to 1. Okay, minus 5a into 0 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1. Then multiplying the value, minus into minus plus, 5a into 1, 5a. 5a equal to 1. Then a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, now we get the value of a. Have you understood? Then the B question. This is for A. Okay, so next find the B. B has 3 subdivision. Okay, one by one is solved. Okay, next the B question, the first subdivision, probability that the person will talk over the phone more than 10 minutes. This is equal to, therefore P of X is more than, so greater than, more than greater than 10. Okay, P of X greater than 10. This is equal to, the lower limit is 10, upper limit is not defined. So integral 10 to infinity f of x into dx. Okay, this is the meaning, which is equal to integral 10 to infinity f of x is a into e power minus x by 5 into dx. Okay, we already get the value of a. The value of a is 1 by 5. So taking outside 1 by 5, integral 10 to infinity e power minus x by 5 into dx. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 5, integrating the value, e power ax format. E power ax is e power ax divided by a. A is minus 1 by 5. Okay, this is already known. Then the limit value 10 to infinity. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 5. Substitute the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is e power minus infinity by 5 is infinity, minus infinity, minus lower limit. Lower limit is e power minus 10 by 5 whole divided by minus 1 by 5. Have you understood? Okay, this is equal to 1 by 5. The denominator can be right 5 by minus 1. Is it or not? Okay, e power minus infinity is 0. Okay, minus e power 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, e power minus 2. Okay, equal to 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. So 1 1s are 1 and minus. Okay, then 0. So minus e power minus 2. Okay, this is equal to, multiplying inside minus into minus plus, 1 into e power minus 2, e power minus 2, which is equal to, this can be right, which is equal to, this can be right 1 divided by e power plus 2. Use the exponential rule. A power minus m equal to 1 divided by a power plus m. This is the exponential rule. Okay, and this like, this is for p of x greater than 10 value. Have you understood? This is the first subdivision. Okay, the second subdivision, probability that the person will take over the phone less than 5 minutes. That is, p of x is less than 5. So now 5 is the greatest value. So upper limit is get, the lower limit is not be given. Okay, the lower limit is already known from the question is 0. Okay, the function for x is greater than or equal to 0. The lower limit is 0. Okay, upper limit is only not defined. The lower limit is always 0. Okay, so here lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 5. Then the function a into e power minus x by 5 into dx. Okay, which is equal to, a value is 1 by 5, integral 0 to 5 e power minus x by 5 into dx, which is equal to 1 by 5, integrating the value, e power ax is e power ax divided by a. So a is minus 1 by 5. Then the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. This minus 1 by 5 can be write 5 by minus 1, and substitute the limit. Upper limit is e power minus x is 5, 5 by 5, minus lower limit is e power 0, lower limit is 0, 0 by number is 0. Have you understood? Okay. Using the cancellation, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. Okay, 1 1s are 1, so minus 1 into e power 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, e power minus 1, okay, minus e power 0 is 1. It is equal to, multiplying minus inside, we get minus e power minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 1s are 1. Okay, it is equal to, this can be write 1 minus e power minus 1, plus 1 and minus e power minus 1. It is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by e power plus 1. Okay, this can be write 1 divided by e power plus 1. It is equal to, using the cross multiplication, e into 1 e minus 1 divided by e. This is for p of x less than 5. Okay, the second subdivision answer. Have you understood? Okay, next, from B question, third subdivision, the probability that the person will talk over the phone between 5 and 10 minutes. Okay, that is p of 5 less than x less than 10 lies between 5 to 10, which is equal to integral. The lower limit is 5, upper limit is 10. Okay, f of x into dx. F of x is a into e power minus x by 5 into dx, which is equal to, a value is 1 by 5, integral 5 to 10 e power minus x by 5 into dx. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 5, integrating the value, e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. Okay, the lower limit is 5, upper limit is 10. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 5, and the denominator can be right 5 by minus 1. Substitute the upper limit. Now x replacing by 10. So e power minus 10 by 5 upper limit minus lower limit e power minus 5, lower limit is 5, 5 by 5. Okay, that's all. So using the cancellation, 1 1s are 1, this minus 1, e power 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, so minus 2, and minus e power 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, e power minus 1. Okay, multiplying minus inside, minus into plus minus, e power minus 2, 1 into this value, then minus into minus, plus 1 into e power minus 1, e power minus 1. Okay, which is equal to minus, the plus value is e power minus 1 minus e power minus 2. This can be right in this like. Okay, then this can be right 1 divided by e power plus 1 using the exponential rule, minus this also use the exponential rule. Here 1 divided by e power plus 2. Okay, taking the LCM, e power 2 is the greatest one. So here e power 1. So multiplying e power 1 numerator and denominator, we get e power 2. Okay, so here minus 1 divided by e power 2. Taking the LCM, here e power 2, but here e power 1. So multiplying numerator and denominator, we get e power 1 divided by e power 2. So e power 2 is the common, then e power 1 minus 1. Okay, have you understood? The probability of 5 less than x less than 10 is e minus 1 divided by e square. Okay, that's all the third subdivision from the 9th question. Have you understood? That's all. Next, 10th question. Suppose that the time in minutes that a person has to wait at a certain station for a train is found to be a random phenomenon with a probability function specified by the distribution function. the probability function specified by the distribution function. Okay, the capital F of x equal to, set of all, 0 for x less than or equal to 0, x by 2 for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 by 2 for 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, x by 4 for 2 less than or equal to x less than 4, 1 for x greater than or equal to 4, more than 4 values 1. Okay, the first subdivision A is the distribution function continuous. This is continuous or not? If so, give its probability density function. So find the probability density function, that means small f of x. Then the B, what is the probability that a person will have to wait, the first subdivision, more than 3 minutes, the second subdivision less than 3 minutes, and third one between 1 and 3 minutes. Okay, the first question, find the probability density function. The second one, use the condition, solve the corresponding probability value. Have you understood the question? Okay. Solution, capital F of x is continuous function. We know that small f of x equal to capital F dash of x, probability density function. Okay, the probability density function is, that is small f of x equal to, set of all, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, f of x value, capital F of x value, differentiate with respect to x. The capital F of x values are already given. Okay, here consider the question. This is capital F of x. So 0, we differentiate, we get 0. Okay, then x by 2, if you x by 2 differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 only remaining. Okay, the constant differentiation is 0. This is 0. So first is 0, third one is 0. This is 1 by 2. Here differentiate x by 4, we get 1 by 4. Okay, then 1 is differentiate, we get 0. Have you understood? This is a differentiation. So rewrite the probability density function. First value is 0 for x less than or equal to 0. And second one is x by 2. So differentiate, we get 1 by 2. For the limit value 1, okay, 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Next, the constant value, differentiate, we get 0. And for the limit values 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Okay, next x by 4, differentiate, we get 1 by 4. So for 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. Then 1 differentiate, we get 0 for x greater than or equal to 4. Okay, now we get probability density function. That's all the first A. Okay, this is for A. Then B, the first subdivision is probability that a person will have to wait more than 3 minutes. That is, P of x is greater than 3, more than 3 minutes, which is equal to, so consider the limit. This is 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. So here appear 3. So 3 more than 3. 3 and more than 3 is this. So sum of these two value. Okay. So 1 by 4 plus 0, which is equal to 1 by 4. Have you understood? That's all the answer. Okay, next, second subdivision, probability that a person will have to wait less than 3 minutes. P of x less than 3, which is equal to, the now x value is below 3. Okay, consider the limit values. This is 0, so this is below 3. Then 0 to 1, this is also below 3. 0 to 1, this is also below 3. Okay, then 2 to 4. So here 3 also appear. So this is also below 3 values. This is more than 4. So up to 2 less than or equal to x less than 4, we add all the values, we get P of x less than 3. Okay, so P of x less than 3 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 4. That's all. okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay, taking the LCM, 4 is the LCM, so this is multiplying by 2, numerator and denominator, 1 2s are 2, so 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by 4. Okay, that's all the answer. Then okay, the last subdivision, probability that a person will have to wait between 1 and 3 minutes. Between 1 and 3. Okay, so consider the value given f of x. So between 1 to 3, this is 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. So between this two interval we get between 1 to 3. Okay, so sum of these two value 0, that means p of 1 less than x less than 3, which is equal to 0 plus 1 by 4. Okay, which is equal to 0 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That's all the answer of third subdivision. Okay, I understood the 10th sum. First find the probability density function. Then second one, follow the given condition, solve the probability of value. That's all. Have you understood? Okay, dear student, today's homework book page number 131, example 6.10 and 6.11. Okay, use the condition and solve the problems. Okay, do it well. Thank you. God bless you.